Affirmations. Yes, how can we make affirmations, strong affirmations, which can fulfill very soon and easily? All right, so we are going to talk about affirmations today. A lot of our viewers are asking, so please tell us that how can we make affirmations and they can get fulfilled. Though we have already made videos on affirmations and they are there on the channel, we will post the link in this description box of this video. So today we are going to talk about it. Hi everyone, this is Gitika Bhatia. Welcome back to our channel DIVINESPECT. What are affirmations? Affirmations are the strong belief. Whatever you are looking for, have in your life, that is something with the 100% faith, you're already thinking that you have got it. You're affirming that thing. All right, whatever, maybe in the business, you want to be successful, always make an affirmation with present tense. If you're speaking that, speak it in present tense, not in future tense, that I want to be. Please God, make me this. No, just say thanks to the God. You just need to understand, assume that yes, you have already got it. Okay, so whatever the affirmation you're making, first of all, very powerful way, I am telling you 3 powerful techniques today for the affirmations. So first thing, generally people make affirmations verbally. All right, thanks universe for making me so fit, for keeping me so fit. Thanks universe for giving me such a beautiful house, dream house. Thanks universe for giving me such a beautiful, or maybe my dream car. So this is something you are just saying it and it's going somewhere lost in your mind. But when you are making an affirmation, it should get stick to your mind. In the radar of your mind, it should be scanned all the time for scanning other opportunities for making this affirmation actually true for you. Okay, so what you have to do is, first thing, you need to make a journal, a diary, any kind of notepad. You need to keep it with you. All right, so it can be this way or maybe of your choice. All right, what you have to do, you need to write it down in your diary. Now I'm not going to say it, write it in the points, write it in the paragraph. No, that's again your wish, the way you want to write it down, the way your thoughts and feelings are coming out. Just write it down. Just write it down and pay the gratitude to the universe, to the ultimate powers with that. Thanks universe for keeping me so fit. Thanks universe for giving me such a beautiful hair. Thanks universe for making me successful businessman in this 2022, December 2022. Maybe you can write like this. Keep the specification over there, because otherwise it'll be open-ended and universe will think, okay, you want to be successful, all right, you'll become successful sometimes. No, just write it down when you want this thing. Okay, so if you want a kind of weight loss journey you are on, all right, so write down the weight and the date when you want to be this much. So thanks universe for making me maybe 60 kgs in this September 2022 or October 2022. So these are the kind of things and the specifications which your mind again and again is reading and writing. You are writing and it's reading. So what will happen? Any magic will happen? Any magic will begin? All right. No, it's not like that. Magic will happen, but with the logic. All right, you're writing it down. Maybe somebody is having some sort of acne problem, some sort of skin infections, or maybe hair fall problem, or maybe business problems. So what will happen? When you are writing this down, every time it's going in your mind and you are going to start attracting the opportunities. So law of attraction will work here very strongly. You will start attracting opportunities. What will happen in the case of, just if I'm talking about the hair or the skin or beauty, any of your friend may be called randomly someday and will tell you about some of the skin specialists. Maybe any of your friend tell you some about hair specialist. All right, I got a I met a hair specialist, and that specialist very good. He can treat your hair if you have hair fall problem, something like that, will happen. Or maybe you're going from somewhere and suddenly you will see a board of a maybe a skin specialist, and you will say, okay, let me just check it out, and you will go there and you will start getting your thing treated, and it'll give you very good results. So something will happen like this. It's not going to happen that you're writing on maybe 3 times a day, 2 times a day, or maybe 5 times a day, and for 21 days or maybe 31 days, and something will happen all of a sudden after 31 days or 21 days. Yeah, your skin is totally fair or maybe clear. It's not like that. So please try to understand this logic behind this magic. All right. So one thing. So I'm not going to tell you about that. All right, you need to write it down maybe 3 times a day, 2 times a day. No, it's not hard and fast. You can write it as many times you can or you want, because when you will feel connected with this ultimate power, you will write it by your wish. If you're feeling connected in the morning, you can write it in the morning. If you're feeling connected in the afternoon, you can write it down. You can write it down in the night as well if you are feeling connected at that time. So up to you. And you feel like, okay, I'm writing in the day, in the morning, and the things are getting on the track. I want to write it more. I want to write it in the afternoon also. I want to write it in the evening also. Up to you. When you feel like, but at least once a day, at least you need to write it. Okay. So this is the first powerful technique of writing down, noting down your affirmations. Second technique, you can record your affirmations in your mobile. Okay, so whenever you are maybe meditating, you're going to bed, you can just keep it on low volume, and you can just listen it, hear it. You can keep it on, put it on in the morning when you got up, because you must have heard in the morning when you get up, if you hear any song, the whole day you're singing that song, right? So try this. Every time in the day, the whole day, your mind is again and again having that thing inside here, that okay, I need to work for this. I need to grab an idea for this. I need to grab an opportunity for just getting this thing fulfilled. So back of the mind, if something is here, it'll keep on scanning those kind of opportunities for you. All right. So this is the second powerful technique. Third technique. What is the third technique? That is the water bottle technique. Water is very powerful, and this is miraculously magical technique. I'm telling you, you can do it for anybody, for yourself, and for anything. What you need to do is take a water bottle for you, dedicate it for yourself for the whole day. Drink water from that bottle only. Charge the water of that water bottle. How can you do that? Just send your positive thoughts to that water. Thank you so much, universe, for making me so happy. Thank you so much, universe, for giving me success in my business. Thank you so much, universe, for giving me my ideal weight 60 kg till this date. Write down everything in a very specific manner so that your mind understands that till this date I need to be, for this much, whatever the weight you have written. Or maybe if you're talking about the business, till this date I need these many profits, these many percentage you may write down, and I need to get that. I need to grab it for my business. So these kind of the goals, you can write it down on this water bottle. And how will you write it down? Okay, you can write it with the permanent marker, maybe. Or maybe you can take a piece of paper, you can write it in the points or paragraph or any of your languages, English, Hindi, Punjabi, Telugu, Malayalam, whatever the language you're comfortable with. You can write it down. Okay, so try this. It is again very powerful technique. So these 3 powerful techniques, if you will use for making your affirmations true, you will see the results. But again, you need to keep 100% faith in the universe, in the ultimate powers, in your angels, ancestors, your guides, because everybody, all of these heavenly bodies are working for you 24 hours a day. So just try that, and just let me know whatever are your personal comments, personal experiences in the comment box, and I'll be happy to read that. All right, so try these things, try these techniques for your affirmations, and let us know about your experiences. We are waiting. All right, thank you for watching the video and have a great day.